You know, don't wait to buy real estate. You should buy real estate and wait.
Hey Kabani, snap back into reality. Don't you have a house you need to sell?
Oh yeah, that's right. Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 867 Wingarden Crescent in Pickering. So we have this fully custom built property, about 3,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. Why don't you guys go in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, what do you guys think about this property? There are so many little details, so many little things that has been done to this house because it was completely custom built. It's really hard for us to explain everything that's going on here. So I have one suggestion for you guys. The best thing you can do is call me, send me a DM, send me an email, however you want to get a hold of me, because I really want to walk you guys through this house myself so I can show you all the cool little features about this property. Now we've come to a part where I need your help. I need you guys to like, subscribe, and share this video. It would help me out quite a bit. And until next time guys, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.